Everyone thinks the best-selling Puma sneakers are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Thunder 4 Life. First up, we have the Puma Men's Thunder 4 Life. Priced at just $44.95, this sneaker immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and lightweight feel. If you want a comfortable, everyday sneaker, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out about this shoe is its mesh upper, which allows for breathability during those long walks or workouts. The lace-up closure ensures a secure fit, so you won't have to worry about them slipping off mid-stride. With cushioned comfort and lightweight materials, you're getting a sneaker that feels as good as it looks. Plus, it has a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,000 reviews, meaning a lot of people are loving these. Now, some users mention that the sizing runs a bit small, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, if you know to size up, you won't have any issues and the comfort is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional sneaker without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something more formal, or if you're looking for a sneaker specifically for running. Now, if the Thunder 4 Life sizing issue is a concern, the next sneaker takes a different approach. Product number 2, RS Fast Limiter. Next, we have the Puma RS Fast Limiter lace-up sneakers, which are priced at $39.98. These shoes caught my attention with their sporty look and casual vibe. If you're after something that combines style with comfort, this one is definitely worth your time. The mesh upper is great for breathability, making these perfect for warm days or intense activities. The synthetic leather toe and heel add a touch of durability and style, while the rubber outsole provides excellent traction. With a 4.6-star rating from 140 reviews, it's clear that many are impressed by these kicks. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for something to wear all day without discomfort, these could be your go-to. However, some people have pointed out that the sole could feel a bit stiff at first. I'll be real with you, that's true, but after a few wears they tend to soften up nicely. This is perfect for you if you want a casual sneaker that delivers on both comfort and style. Skip this one if you need a sneaker for more serious athletic purposes. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a performance-focused style. Product number 3, BMW M Motorsport. The next sneaker is the Puma Men's BMW M Motorsport RS TRCK, priced at $80.95. This one really caught my attention with its sleek design and association with motorsport. If you want something sporty and stylish, this is worth considering. The textile and synthetic upper provide a great fit and feel, while the RS technology midsole adds extra cushioning for comfort during wear. The rubber outsole ensures excellent grip, making it ideal for all sorts of surfaces. With a 4.4-star rating from 105 reviews, many buyers appreciate the blend of style and function. Here's why this matters for you. If you're into motorsport or just want a sneaker that stands out, this might be your match. Now, some reviews mention that the price feels a bit high. Here's my take, it's definitely an investment, but if you're a fan of the brand and want that unique style, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fashion-forward sneaker that also performs well. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a more classic look. Now, if the price on the BMW M Motorsport sneaker felt steep, the next option is a great blend of style and affordability. Product number 4, RS TRCK Color. Next up is the Puma Men's RS TRCK Color lace-up sneakers, priced at $89.95. This sneaker truly stands out with its bold color options and unique design. If you want to make a statement while staying comfortable, this is definitely worth a look. The blended upper of mesh, leather, and nubuck not only looks good, but also offers a great combination of breathability and durability. The cushioned footbed provides that comfort you need for all-day wear, and the rubber outsole helps with grip. With a 4.5-star rating from 38 reviews, people are loving the unique aesthetics and comfort. Here's why this matters for you. If you like to express yourself through fashion, these are a fantastic choice. However, I did see a few complaints about the weight of the shoe. I'll be honest, they are a bit heavier than others, but that added weight also contributes to their solid build. This is perfect for you if you're after a sneaker that stands out and feels durable. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-lightweight footwear for running or sports. Now, if the weight issue is a concern, let's look at something even more casual and lighter. Product number 5, RS Metric. Finally, we have the Puma Men's RS Metric lace-up sneakers in white, priced at $53.95. This sneaker is all about that clean, classic look. If you want something simple yet stylish, this is worth checking out. The rubber sole gives you the grip you need without being too heavy, making these perfect for everyday wear. The design is straightforward, which means it can be paired with just about anything in your closet. With a 4.1 star rating from 35 reviews, it seems like many appreciate its versatility. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a sneaker that can match anything and still feels good, this is a solid pick. On the downside, a few users mentioned that the white color can get dirty quickly. Honestly, that's true, but it's also a classic look that can be easily cleaned. This is perfect for you if you like a timeless sneaker that's easy to style. Skip this one if you're not ready to maintain that pristine look. Now, if you're still on the fence about which Puma sneaker to go for, let's recap what we've looked at today. So to wrap it all up, we've checked out the Puma Thunder 4 Life for its comfort, RS Fast Limiter for that sporty edge, BMW M Motorsport for motorsport vibes, RS DRCK Color for bold style, and the classic RS Metric for versatility. Each sneaker brings something unique to the table, so it really depends on what you're after. Happy sneaker hunting!